Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Name of the subject Mathematics Part 2, Standard 9th. Topic Quadrilaterals Part 1. Name of the teacher Mrs. Snehal Sarvaiya. Chapter 5 Quadrilaterals. In this video we will learn parallelogram, related theorems and practice set 5.1. Parallelogram. A quadrilateral having both pairs of opposite sides parallel is called a parallelogram. In the above figure, seg AB is parallel to seg DC and seg AD is parallel to seg BC. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Theorem 1. Opposite sides and opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Given quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, it means side AB is parallel to side DC and side AD is parallel to side BC. To prove seg AD is congruent to seg BC, seg DC congruent seg AB, angle ADC congruent angle CBA and angle DAB congruent angle BCD. Construction. Draw diagonal AC. Proof. Seg DC parallel seg AB and diagonal AC is the transversal. Therefore, angle DCA congruent angle BAC, alternate angles. Seg DA parallel seg BC and diagonal AC is the transversal. Therefore, angle DAC is congruent angle BCA, alternate angles. Now, in triangle ADC and triangle CBA, angle DAC congruent angle BCA from 2. Sec AC congruent sec CA common side. Therefore, triangle ADC is congruent triangle CBA. Angle side angle test. Therefore, side AD congruent side CB, corresponding sides of the congruent triangles, and side DC congruent side AB, corresponding sides of the congruent triangles. Also, angle ADC congruent angle CBA, corresponding angles of the congruent triangles. Similarly, we can prove angle DAB congruent angle BCD. Theorem 2. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Given quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram, diagonals PR and QS intersect in point O. To prove seg PO congruent seg RO and seg SO congruent seg QO. Proof. In triangle POS and triangle ROQ, angle OPS congruent angle ORQ, alternate angles. Side PS congruent side RQ, opposite sides of a parallelogram. Angle PSO congruent angle RQO, alternate angles. Therefore, triangle POS congruent triangle ROQ, angle side angle test. Therefore, seg PO congruent seg RO and seg SO congruent seg QO, corresponding sides of the congruent triangles. Practice set 5.1. Question 1. Diagonals of a parallelogram WXYZ intersect each other at point O. If angle XYZ is equals to 135 degree, then what is the measure of angle XWZ and angle YZW? If length OY is 5 cm, then find length WY. Solution. Angle XYZ is equals to 135 degree. Angle XYZ is equal to angle XWZ, opposite angles of parallelogram. Therefore, angle XWZ is equals to 135 degree. Angle XYZ plus angle YZW is equals to 180 degree because adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Therefore, 135 degree plus angle YZW is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, angle YZW is equals to 180 minus 135 is equals to 45 degree. OI is equals to half of YW because diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, phi is equals to half YW. Therefore, YW is equals to 5 into 2. Therefore, YW is equals to 10 centimeter. So, length WY is equals to 10 centimeter. Answer: angle XWZ is equals to 135 degree. Angle YZW is equals to 135 degree. Length WY is equal to 10 centimeters. Question 2. In a parallelogram ABCD, if angle A is equals to 3x plus 12 degree, angle B is equals to 2x minus 32 degree, then find the value of x and then find the measures of angle C and angle D. Solution. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree because adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Therefore, 3x plus 12 plus 2x minus 32 is equals to 180. Now we will remove the bracket. So we will get 3x plus 12 plus 2x minus 32 is equals to 180. Now add the like terms. 3x plus 2x we will get 5x minus 32 plus 12 we will get minus 20 is equals to 180. Therefore 5x is equals to 180 plus 20. 5x is equals to 200. Now x is equals to 200 upon 5, so x is equals to 40 degree. Angle C is equals to angle A because opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. Therefore angle C is equals to 3x plus 12. We will substitute the value of x. 40 into 3 plus 12, 120 plus 12 is equals to 132 degree. Therefore angle C is equals to 132 degree. Angle D is equals to angle B, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Therefore, angle D is equals to 2x minus 32. 2 into 40 minus 32. 42s are 80 minus 32 is equals to 48. Therefore, angle D is equals to 48 degree. Therefore, answer is x is equals to 40 degree. Angle C is equals to 132 degree and angle D is equals to 48 degree. Question 3. The perimeter of a parallelogram is 150 centimeter. One of its sides is greater than the other side by 25 centimeter. Find the lengths of all the sides. Solution. Let quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Let AB is equal to x centimeter. According to the given condition, BC is equals to x plus 25 centimeter. CD is equal to AB is equal to x centimeter, opposite sides of a parallelogram. AD is equal to BC is equals to x plus 25 centimeter, opposite sides of a parallelogram. The perimeter of a parallelogram ABCD is equals to 150 centimeters. Therefore, AB plus BC plus CD plus AD is equals to 150. Therefore, x plus 25 plus x plus 25 is equals to 150. Therefore, 4x plus 50 is equals to 150. 4x is equals to 100. Therefore, x is equal to 100 upon 4. X is equals to 25. Therefore, CD is equal to AB is equals to x is equal to 25 centimeter and AD is equal to BC, that is x plus 25 is 25 plus 25, that is 50 centimeter. So the lengths of the sides of the parallelogram are 25 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 50 centimeters. Question 4. If the ratio of measures of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 1:2, find the measures of all the angles of a parallelogram. The ratio of measures of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 1:2. Let angle B is to angle A is equals to 1:2. Therefore, angle B is equals to x degree and angle A is equals to 2x degree because x is a common multiple. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Therefore, angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. So, 2x plus x is equals to 180. Therefore, 3x is equals to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 180 upon 3. X is equals to 60 degree. Angle B is equals to angle D is equals to x degree because opposite angles of a parallelogram. So, angle B is equals to angle D is equals to 60 degree. Angle C is equal to angle A is equals to 2x degree, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Therefore, angle C is equals to angle A is equals to 2 into 60 is equals to 120 degree. So that angles of a parallelogram are 60 degree, 120 degree, 60 degree and 120 degree. Question 5. The diagonals of a parallelogram intersect each other at point O. If AO is equals to 5, BO is equals to 12 and AB is 13, then show that quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Proof. AO is 5, BO is 12 and AB is 13, that is given. So AB square is equals to 13 square is equals to 169. AO square plus OB square is equals to 5 square plus 12 square, which is equals to 25 plus 44 is equals to 169. Therefore, AO square plus OB square is equals to AB square. By converse of Pythagoras theorem, angle AOB is 90 degree. In parallelogram ABCD, diagonal AC is perpendicular to diagonal BD from 1. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. A parallelogram is a rhombus if its diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Sixth, in the figure, quadrilateral PQRS and quadrilateral ABCR are two parallelograms. If angle P is equals to 110 degree, then find the measures of all angles of quadrilateral ABCR. Solution. Quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram that is given. Therefore, angle SPQ is equals to angle SRQ, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Angle SPQ is equals to 110 degree, that is given. Therefore, angle SRQ is also equals to 110 degree. Angle ARC is equals to 110 degree. Quadrilateral ABCR is a parallelogram that is given. Therefore, angle ABC is equals to angle ARC, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Therefore, angle ABC is equals to 110 degree. Angle ARC plus angle BAR is equals to 180 degree. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Therefore, 110 degree plus angle BAR is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, angle BAR is equals to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. Angle BCR is equals to angle BAR. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, angle BCR is equals to 70 degree. So the answer is angle ARC is equals to 110 degree. Angle ABC is 110 degree. Angle BAR is 70 degree. And angle BCR is also 70 degree. Thank you.